Let's tackle a huge headache for apparel brands: minimum order quantities, or MOQs.
You've probably heard this, right? It feels like hitting a brick wall, like game over.
But is it really game over? Not always. The secret is understanding their side of things.
So, why do suppliers put up this MOQ wall? Let's get behind their no.
See, it's not about being difficult. It's all about managing their business risk. And where's that risk come from? Well, it boils down to a few key things.
Okay, so before you even think about negotiating, you need to have your ducks in a row. If you show up unprepared, they won't budge. This checklist, it's your ticket in the door.
All right, you're prepared. Now for the fun part: tactics that actually get results.
Stop making these common mistakes. You need to show them the long-term potential.
Tactic 1. Mix up your colors. This helps them hit their minimums, and you get more variety.
Tactic 2 is a big one. Ask what fabric they already have in stock. Problem solved. Next up, be flexible on delivery. This lets them squeeze your smaller order into their schedule.
And Tactic 4, keep it simple. Complex designs mean higher setup costs and more risk for them.
But these tactics are great. But the real magic is in building a long-term partnership.
It really boils down to this. You don't just negotiate a lower MOQ, you have to earn it.
The more they trust you and your brand, the more flexible they're going to be. It's that simple.
So you have to ask yourself this one question, because your answer changes everything.